Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Hope you're doing well. I'm going to show you a 2017 Pete 579 glider kit today. It's got a pre-elog 12.7 Detroit, 13 speed, 393 on the clock. I've gotten it hot, so I'll be able to show you the full operating temperature, oil pressure, and blow-by. I'm going to do a walk around showing you underneath the hood, the frame rails, tires, brakes, just a general condition all the way around. Let's get started. Your low side is just under 30 to 27, 28. And it's going to get up to pushing 60. So upper 50s on the high side. Got a double block. Dual leather seats. Pretty light blow-by for 400,000 miles. Really pretty truck. Somebody taking care of it. Matched Michelin's on the back, excellent shape. About 50% on the brakes. Got a little scrape right there, it's about the only blemish paint-wise on the whole truck. Little spot here. Guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, let me know about it. If you need something, give me a shout out to Joey at truckmarket.com or to my cell 901-896-4526. Again, thanks for watching.